Hello traders, today we are trading with Turbo F5, my trend strategy, which is explained in many videos, but today we now trading in few live trades, so just want to explain how it works. This is one trade. I even have taken it here because I'm so confident in these confirmations. You see 91% downtrend and flat pulse extremely going down. The red line are very strong, so even you can take this trade after, not when you need to, if you want to make more money. So the rules would be, when you get not repainted arrow here, you wait that the yellow line is under the pink. This candle must be red. You must have it confirmed with this. You see here, it is confirmed in that position here. So not before you will take the trade here, because you need this to be confirmed with this red, and this must be red. As higher this number is, it's better. If it is 91%, it's really fantastic. So in that moment here you can take a trade, and we could have until now about 61 pips, but we don't have such amount because I have taken trade here, because now about 30 minutes ago I open computer and I enter immediately when I see this movement. Also we have another one here, 75 red. You see, if we trade, if I have traded before, I would take it here, but I take it somewhere here. So this is the rules. If you wanted to stop, if you are satisfied now with these two amount, you just click and you will be in half an hour you will make $60. And I think that we today also, you see, last 4 trades free from tomorrow, all in the money, 60, 40, 40. And today we made also, but it's closed, 41. It was here. Yes, here we made 41. So it is very powerful, accurate strategy, compound of few elements, as I explained. Arrow is the trigger. Then you must have a few confirmations. One of these is that yellow line always must cross down under the pink. Then it is time to take a trade. You must have it confirmed with this. This is in the all time frame. It is consist of, you'll see, I will just a second. You see, this trend indicator is consist of 15 different indicators for all time frame. So this is a general trend, and it calculates you the general trend movement. So it's a very, very important confirmation. And also this flat pulse must be red, so this is confirmed. Let's see. I will close these 2 trades. Then we have a clean screen here. So just a second. Yes. Let's see here. Let's see here for the buy trade. So you get a trade, of course. You get a arrow, and this is the trigger that you must go to see if you have any confirmations. So here at that moment, you see, you don't have confirmation because still the yellow line is here, but later is going up. But down here, you do not have a confirmation from flat pulse. So it's not enough to take a trade. Of course, this must be green. Now, after 2 days, it is red in this situation. This shows the moment situation, current situation. So we must have here green numbers, uptrend, and this blue. So let's assume it was green. We go back, and here we get blue, and here we can take a trade, and you see it is in the money. Also, this case here, you see, you get here arrow, but yellow line is down here. We do not have this confirmed, but here we have, and here we can take a trade and also make 50-60 pips. This FX5 trend strategy can be used on all time frame from M5 to up. I mostly use a 1 hour time frame because still I have many signals per day if I open 10 pairs or 15 pairs, and still I do not have to watch non-stop my charts. So every 1 hour I will get some signal if I will head. But also you can use it on 15-minute time frame, like here. You see this long trend here. What we had here. See, if you have taken the trade here, you see confirmed here. So arrow, yellow line, we need blue line. This is up at that moment, and we can take it until the next red arrow and make 100 pips with M15 time frame. So let's see this interesting situation. Now, you see, we had this arrow, but no confirmation down here, and now we have a confirmation at 86%. So now I will take the trade. As you can see, the trade, it will go take profit until this super resistance line. Stop loss we can put before this also support line, and I always use the protection trailing stop 5 pips, 50 points. If the price go up 50 pips, it will stop loss will go up and save me, lock my profit if it goes back. So this is how to use. You see the blue, we even could take it here, little blue, but this is a blue line going up. This is white candle. We have trigger arrow, and we have a very high trend up percentage. So this is how to take this trade. Also on 30 minutes time frame, you see we had very good trend here. You see how much we can make. Also later we can take this trade. So many opportunities. 4 hour time frames. You see 4 hour time frame also super accurate. You do not have to watch your charts non-stop also every 4 hours, or you can even use daily time frame. It's even better for people which have a steady job or part-time job, but also 4 hours is very good. So I decrease the screen size that you see in global. What we had here, you see how fantastic trades we could take here. You see from here This is the latest one, and you see we get arrow here, but at the moment when we get arrow, it is 10 days ago that this should be green. But we do not take trade here, we are waiting for the confirmation of this blue. Yellow line must be over the pink, and here, somewhere here, we can take a trade, and from until now we can make 230 pips. Or look, this trigger arrow, yellow line down the pink, but we wait for the confirmation. It came here, somewhere here, and from here we can make 200 pips. Of course, for down, it must be red going down. As higher number this is, it's better than this winning trade. So you can see how very nice and very accurate and safe strategy it is. Of course, when you trade higher time frames, like 4-hour daily, you will have less noise on the market, not many arrows here, like maybe on 15 minutes or on 30 minutes, or here. Oh, here is also very nice, but depends what style of trader you are, what time frame you will use. But the important thing is only to follow strictly the rules. If you do not follow strictly the rules and you enter any trade if you only see the arrow, then your accuracy will be much lower than here if you follow the rules. So you must have arrow, you must have this line for the sell under the pink, for buy over the pink. You must have this confirmed, as I said, and you must this confirmed. So all must go in the trend direction. So let's say that we are now entering the trade, that we are now trading, we get arrow, fantastic. Yellow line under the pink, confirmation number 1. This is red, down, confirmation number 2. And we need this to be red, confirmation number 3, and that moment here we can take a trade. You can take it, you can keep it if you want using this indicator, or this support and resistance line. So when some trade goes and touch this resistance, you can check if this is still red or it become blue, or is this still red or become green. If it's still in the red, you can keep on going. And also check here, and you see now we get opposite arrow here, the blue, and you can exit the trade here. Stop loss you can put on the first resistance line over the arrow. Or here, you see if you have taken it here, stop loss here, take profit here. So you see now the price touched the very strong resistance, but this is still blue. The candles are still white, so we can keep it sometimes more, but you see this is becoming red, going down, so now the price will easily go down, so maybe this is the time to exit the trade. Also you see this blue, and now we have a blue line, but dark blue. That means that it is going to it's weaker than this light blue. Also when you see this red, light red, this is very good. When it is dark red, this is a sign maybe of slowing the trend. Also, guys, This is one daily chart. This is Bitcoin. You see it's falling. You see our arrow, how good it was, and it's still going down. So you can use this. You can use this strategy on all time frames, on all, let's say, all currency pairs, all assets. You can use it on crypto. You can use it on stops, indices, anywhere you like, from M5 up and higher. You see this trade in which we close our profit in the beginning of video, it's still going down. So if we have keep this trade, we'll make much more, because this is something unbelievable that the trend is almost 100%. It's very strong, and you must take advantage of this situation, and this is going down. So this is really fantastic. Also, this is not bad, 86. Everything with the trend which is higher than 80%, it's very, very extremely strong. In that cases, you can easily take trade even if you are late, as I was. Even if you haven't entered here when you should, you can catch the train here and still make money. So this was Turbo F5, the premium not repainted trend strategy. This is not repainted arrows. You see the arrows are non-stop at the same place. They will never disappear. Let's see, we have two arrows here. Let's go to daily. Let's go back. Sorry. We were on, I don't know, on 15 minutes or, yes, 50 minutes. You see that arrows are still, these arrows are still here, not removed, not repainted. This is the trade we have taken. Let's see if we have something made in this small. Yes, we are already $13 in the money, but it's only the beginning. I expect that it goes up because it's very strong trend over 80, and this is increasing, so I'm very confident about this trade. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and have a nice weekend. Bye bye.